Working with Drafts is back, and this week I'm going to show you quite possibly the fastest way to collect stuff into your phone. Hello and welcome to another episode of my Working with Drafts series. My name is Carl Pauline, and in this week's episode I'm going to show you how to collect stuff using your Apple Watch. Now, we carry our phone with us everywhere we go, but if we want to collect stuff into that, we have to pull the phone out, we have to start typing. Sometimes that's not easily done. So, is there another alternative? Well, yes, there is. If you have an Apple Watch and you're using Drafts, then you can take the power of Drafts complication on your phone. I think it's called a complication. Well, it's certainly the app on your watch to collect whatever it is you want to do. For me, it's as simple as just doing this. Actually, it's already started. I don't know why. For me, it's as simple. You can't see me doing this, but for me, it's as simple as doing that and speaking to my watch, and I can work no problem. Now, there are a few ways you can do. Just stop that. There are a few ways that you can do this, though. If you're driving, it can be very dangerous to start typing on your phone. Of course, you can use Siri if you wish, if you're using an iPhone. Alternatively, as you're driving along, you can just go boom and start speaking, and job done. You're collecting. Actually, very, very simple. So I'm going to show you how to do that in this episode. It's kind of a short episode. Now, before we go into my Apple Watch, because that's what we're going to do, I'd just like to say, if you do get any value from this video, then I would be most grateful if you would hit that like button below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel and you want occasional tips and tricks on drafts, then please subscribe to my channel. Okay, let me take you into a video I did a few moments ago to show you how all this works. Okay, so here we have me and my Apple Watch. I'm sorry about the quality of this video. I haven't figured out how best to do this for you. But anyway, all you have to do, and this is really difficult to do with using two hands and trying to record at the same time, is all you have to do is when you go, is you just tap on this little button down here. And what I need to do is to just collect whatever it is I'm saying, as you can see right here, full stop. Once done, I hit the once done, and now that goes off to my iPhone. As you can see at the bottom there, it says inbox 1, and that's essentially all you have to do. Again, when you go, I can just press this. Remember to buy some milk on the way home. Click done, and that's gone in, and now I've got 2. And this is one of the really powerful ways. So if I just drop out of that, and so as you can see, what I've done is on my Apple Watch, I've actually got the inboxes down there on the bottom left, which is really, really useful because it's just a quick record my YouTube videos this afternoon. And it's done. Now all these have gone to my Todoist, and what I'll do is I'm just going to pick up my phone now so you can see this. If I drag up, as you can see down at the bottom now, down there, I've got 3 on the badge on my drafts. If I open that up, and I will take you to my inbox, which is up here, and you can see that I have the 3 things that I actually collected from my Apple Watch, and it's instantaneous. So all I have to do is, for example, I can now send that to Todoist. Now, for those of you watching this right now, and I'm recording this in the middle of September 2019, the Todoist API is not working. So what I will do for the purposes of this demonstration is I'm going to send that to Evernote, and bang, off it goes to Evernote. The Evernote API is working. The Todoist, by the way, for those of you watching this one this week, the Todoist API should be working again sometime in the next week or 2, I'm told. So there you go. Now you know. And so here's another one. What I need to do is just collect whatever it is I'm saying. And again, I could just send that off to wherever I want to send it. So there you go. That's all you have to know about setting up your Apple Watch and drafts. It is super, super, super fast. And you know what? Without it, I would be completely lost. It is just one of those amazing little apps that means that collecting, and which is what it's all about at the end of the day, is collecting has to be fast and seamless. And this, for me, is the fastest way to get stuff into my apps. Well, it just remains for me now to wish you all a very, very productive week. Thank you very much for watching this video. Now, have I got something special to tell you about? The Time and Life Mastery version 3 course has launched. Now, this course is transformative. It will transform your life. If you find that your life is drifting from one day to the next and that you feel that you're not actually achieving your goals, then this course is going to show you how to change that. It's going to show you how to identify what is truly important to you. It's going to show you how to find what it is you want out of life, and then show you the steps that you need to take in order to get there. This course is amazing. The feedback I've got from versions 1 and version 2 have just been tremendous. It has helped so many people, and I want this opportunity to tell you that it can do the same for you. I hope you will take a look at the course, have a go, take the course, and start transforming your life today. This course will do that for you. Take a look, get yourself enrolled, and hopefully I'll see you in the course.